Spiritlight. We are at the Bosque Cemetery in Amelia Island, Florida, and the spirits are very anxious to talk to us. Visiting today because it's getting to be near Christmas, and it's very important for us to connect with the spirits and let them know that they're not forgotten, especially at this time of year. So walk with us and let's see who we can communicate with tonight. Hi. Can you tell us your name, please?
Let me get the little camera.
It just said Dick. Is that short for Richard?
Yes.
What's your... Kepler. Okay. Is that your last name? Thank you. I know this is a hard time of year for most people. We mainly feel really a lot of sadness about our loved ones. Yes, spirits do as well, apparently. We feel a lot of sadness because we miss our families. Yes, it seems like 1 minute they're here,
Bring this camera.
and the next minute they're gone. I have to say that it's so very important for us to appreciate the people in our lives, to love them, to appreciate and respect them, knowing that we don't have much time together. I know that some of you do get visitors this time of year, and then others of you don't. I'm sorry for that. They're registering, yes, and some don't. I would think the reason that you don't is because a lot of times people move away or they die themselves. And so after some time that you've been here, they no longer are there present to come visit you. But in their hearts and in their thoughts, I'm sure that they're always thinking of you, especially at this time of year. We're trying to find you if you're here. We want to just communicate, hear your story, and also to wish you a very happy holiday season, whether it be Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah or whatever it is that we celebrate. I want to tell everybody out there, when you're taking pictures of your family gatherings, make sure that you look for some sort of anomaly in your picture, whether it be an orb with its own bright light, or something that's just like a white light, or something just doesn't look right. It's not supposed to be there. A lot of times our family members do visit us at holiday season, and they'll give us signs that they're here, and they love for you to talk about them and remember them. So please remember to do that when you sit down to have your Christmas dinner this year or to open your presents. Please bring up memories of those people that you love that are in spirit. It is a very eerie looking tree. It's beautiful, but very eerie. There's some graves right here. I'm just going to speak to you. Hello. I feel a lot of heaviness in my chest. Yes, they're agreeing. When you got really, really sick, was it hard for you to breathe? Yes. Was there anyone with you when you passed away? Yes. Do you miss them? Are you very sad? No? Do you visit them often? Have they been here to visit you? So, are you just here right now to communicate with me? This sounds like you're doing pretty good. Are you okay? Thank you for talking to me, telling me what happened. You're welcome. feeling some pain. I'm feeling some pain on your right side. Did you have trouble walking? Yes. I'm sorry about that. Was that very hard for you? Yes. Was there someone who helped you walk? No. Yes. Well, that was good. Do you want to express appreciation to them? Yes. Okay. Well, they're probably gonna watch the video. Let's hope, and they'll know that it meant a lot to you that they helped you walk. Are you feeling so much better now that you've crossed over? I don't know what that noise is, but I feel like I'm hearing whispering. Are you whispering to me? In my right ear? Let's go to this round tree. I feel like there's something over here. Yes.
About right there.
Is there someone here?
Go around the other side. Grave marker's right there.
I'm trying to see enough to even walk over here. That's strange. What is that? Can you focus on that? Okay, what is that?
Yeah, it's right here's the marker right here.
Okay. Benjamin. Benjamin, are you here? Do they call you Ben? Yes, they called him Ben. Thank you, Ben, for answering that. How are you doing? Are you doing good? Just light up our lights, honey. Thank you. He says he's doing well. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas. It's very warm this time of year in Florida for Christmas, but it's almost here. Is there anything that you need? Anything we can do for you, hon? Alright. I think we're going to be heading on out very shortly, so we just want to take this time to wish everyone here a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and to know that you're always in our hearts and minds and thoughts, and in the hearts and minds and thoughts of all of your relatives, both in spirit and that are here. They're happy about that.
Yeah.
Everyone. And Merry Christmas from Spiritlight. We hope that 2016 is going to be a much better year than 2015. Thank you.